Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today we are going to show you how to create a scheduled action or a drive audit using scheduled actions in Gemini. So here we go. Step one, bottom left corner in the Gemini app, click the little sun icon in the bottom left. You're going to see the option for connected apps. We want to make sure that we toggle this on in the middle of our screen. After that, we're going to go to the upper left. We're going to click on New Chat. From there, you are going to enter this prompt. Every Friday at 3 p.m., or you can change that, perform a drive audit. Summarize any new files added to my Google Drive for files created or modified in the last 7 days. Provide a bulleted summary of each file's key points. This is really important. Email this summary to me so that you don't have to come back to the Gemini app to find this. Click on the enter or the airplane sign there. It will go through its motions and create the scheduled action for you. Now, with that scheduled action, you will find that in the middle of our screen that it's started. Lower left corner, the same sun or gear icon. Scheduled actions. You'll see those actions here, and you can click on the three dots to the right to edit. Maybe you want to change the time or delete that, or just turn it off for a period of time while you are out. You have to make sure that if you're going to tweak this prompt at all, you want to make sure that you have something that is the frequency, the time, and the specific task that you want to do. And don't forget to use that email me piece. That will put it into your inbox for you. Until we meet again another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update, or cool tool like this, this is Triple G, Gary the Google Guy, signing off, signing out.